How to Achieve Financial Freedom, a step-by-step guide. Hello everyone, welcome to a transformative journey towards financial freedom. In this insightful video, we'll unveil a comprehensive step-by-step guide on achieving the cherished goal of financial freedom. During actionable strategies, practical insights, and essential principles, we will pave the way for a life of financial security and abundance. We'll be breaking everything down, keeping it simple, relatable, and actionable. What is financial freedom? Financial freedom refers to a state in which an individual or household has enough financial resources to cover their expenses, achieve their goals, and maintain their desired lifestyle without being overly dependent on a traditional 9-to-5 job or paycheck. It's the ability to make choices and pursue activities that are important to you rather than being constrained by financial limitations. It seems like a dream, doesn't it? But it's absolutely achievable, and we're here to lead you along this path. Let's begin by unveiling the keys to unlocking financial freedom. If you are new here, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon to get instant notifications. Number 1. Start with a budget. At the heart of financial freedom lies a fundamental pillar, starting with a budget. Budgeting is a financial world's version of a diet. A budget isn't a spreadsheet of numbers. It's a roadmap that empowers you to take control of your financial destiny. By meticulously tracking your income and expenses, you understand where your money is coming from and where it's going. This simple yet profound practice allows you to make informed decisions, prioritize your spending, and direct your resources toward what truly matters. A budget is a compass that guides you away from debt towards savings, investments, and ultimately the realm of financial independence. It's not about restriction. It's about conscious choices. Through budgeting, you learn to align your financial goals with your values, making every purchase a purposeful step toward building a secure and prosperous future. Number 2. Emergency fund creation. Establishing an emergency fund is critical in cultivating a sound financial life. Its purpose is to act as a safety net during unexpected life events that could potentially disrupt your financial equilibrium. These unforeseen circumstances encompass situations such as abrupt job loss, unforeseen medical expenses, urgent car repairs, or even unprecedented global events like business shutdowns due to a pandemic. The significance of an emergency fund cannot be emphasized enough. In its absence, the sudden financial demands might compel you to resort to credit cards or loans, initiating a debt cycle that can be arduous to break free from. Conversely, possessing an emergency fund bestows a sense of assurance, as you know you possess a cushion to lean on without plunging into debt or jeopardizing your enduring financial objectives. It's important to bear in mind that an emergency fund's objective isn't to amass wealth or propel you into opulence. Rather, it's designed to safeguard the wealth you've accrued and furnish financial stability. Number 3. Eliminate and avoid debt. Debt, put simply, signifies the money you owe. While certain types of debt can serve as stepping stones to wealth creation, like a mortgage for a home with potential value appreciation, or a student loan for education leading to higher earnings prospects, high-interest debt, such as credit card debt, possess a threat to your financial well-being. The pursuit of debt elimination is paramount, as the longer you remain in debt, the more interest you are obligated to pay. These funds could otherwise be channeled towards your savings and investments, propelling you towards your financial aspirations. If you have looming debts, you must devise strategies for their eradication. Two commonly employed approaches are the debt snowball method, which commences by paying off the smallest debts first to build momentum, and the debt avalanche method, which prioritizes clearing debts with the highest interest rates to minimize overall interest expenditure. Number 4. Diversify your income streams. In the rapidly evolving landscape of today's world, placing all your reliance on a solitary source of income can entail a measure of risk, much akin to investing principles, where it's unwise to tie all your resources to the fate of a single company's stock. Your livelihood should be traced to more than one job or income channel. This is where the significance of diversifying your income streams comes into play. Diversification of income simply involves cultivating multiple revenue streams. It revolves around refraining from placing all your financial eggs into one proverbial basket. The spectrum of diversification encompasses both active and passive income sources. Active income may comprise of a secondary job or a side venture, while passive income might emanate from investments or royalties earned from authored works. The act of fostering various income streams bestows a safety net upon you. Should one avenue of income falter, you have others to lean on. To illustrate, in the event of a primary job loss, income from a side business or rental properties could bridge the financial gap until a new employment opportunity arises. Beyond this, multiple income streams can expedite your voyage toward financial freedom. Number 5. Maximize your savings. Now let's delve into the crucial realm of maximizing your savings. The concept here goes beyond merely tucking away excessive funds. It's about cultivating shrewdness in your saving strategies. It entails striking a harmonious equilibrium between present-day comfort and future preparedness. Commence this endeavor by attaining crystal clear comprehension of your earnings and expenditures, a prime role played by a well-structured budget. A profound insight into your monthly income and expenses empowers you to spot areas where potential cutbacks could be initiated, thus paving the way for increased savings. Nevertheless, it's vital to reshape the perception of savings, transcending it from a notion of sacrificing to a practice of self-investment. Each instance you save, you essentially direct resources towards securing your forthcoming financial equilibrium and autonomy. Hence, it's prudent to allocate a fraction of your earnings immediately upon reception rather than delaying until month's end to save whatever's left. This practice of maximizing your saving further extends to leveraging your employer's matching contributions within your retirement scheme. Number 6. Invest smartly. Let's embark on our journey of investing smartly. This encompasses far more than the simple act of funneling your funds into the stock market with crossed fingers. Instead, it's about informed and strategic decision-making, conducting research, comprehending risk, achieving portfolio diversification, and fostering unwavering commitment to long-term goals. At its core, investing aims to let your money labor on your behalf. While earnings serve immediate goals and building an emergency fund, investing is the linchpin for nurturing wealth over time. The prowess of compound interest drives this phenomenon, whereby your gains generate further gains, exponentially enhancing your earnings. Commence investing early and uphold consistency, and your money enjoys more extensive periods to flourish. Number 7. Plan for retirement. The essence of financial freedom resides in amassing sufficient savings or income to lead to the life you desire, free from financial apprehensions. Isn't this the idyllic retirement we all aspire to achieve? Delaying retirement planning until later years isn't prudent. Rather, it's a long-term process that should commence from the moment you begin earning an income. The rationale is simple. Initiating retirement savings sooner capitalizes on the potential for your money to flourish, aided by the magic of compound interest. In the orchestration of retirement planning, your foremost task is envisioning the kind of retirement you envisage. It is a journey of exploration, venturing into business, contributing through volunteering, or basking in the ambiance of a beach abode. Your retirement vision will directly shape the magnitude of your savings requirement. In essence, planning for retirement entails peering into the horizon and preparing for the forthcoming chapter tailored to your aspirations. Number 8. Educate yourself. In the realm of finance, knowledge is a driving force. Grasping the mechanics of money, from crafting budgets and fostering savings, to delving into investment strategies, retirement planning, and even tax management, empowers you with the arsenal to navigate the financial landscape with poise. In today's world, personal finance education is often overlooked in traditional schooling. Many individuals grow up without acquiring the skills to balance a checkbook, let alone delve into the intricacies of stock investments. This knowledge gap can give rise to financial challenges in the later phases of life. However, the encouraging aspect is that there is always time to initiate your learning journey. Your quest for a personal finance education could commence by immersing yourself in books on the subject. An array of available books caters to a spectrum spanning from fundamental budgeting principles to the nuances of investment intricacies. Number 9. Protect your wealth. Beyond the accumulation of money, preserving and accruing your wealth over time takes center stage. Financial freedom encompasses not only the resources to fulfill your current lifestyle and aspirations, but also secures your ability to do so in the future. As such, fortifying the resources becomes an intrinsic component of this journey. At the heart of wealth protection lies insurance. Insurance policies function as the safety net for life's unforeseen twists, be it health setbacks, vehicular mishaps, home-related issues, or legal entanglements. The absence of comprehensive insurance coverage could drain your savings or plunge you into debt in the face of such events. Consequently, comprehending and maintaining suitable insurance coverage forms a linchpin in the realm of wealth protection. In the same breath, an emergency fund emerges as a formidable bulwark against unanticipated financial adversities. It guarantees that you can brave short-term financial tempests without resorting to your long-term investments. Number 10. Have patience and discipline. Let's delve into the foundational pillars of having patience and discipline, crucial components in the journey toward financial freedom. While less tangible than monetary figures, these qualities greatly influence constructing and nurturing lasting wealth. In the realm of finances, patience emerges as a virtue richly rewarded. Contemplate the concept of compound interest, where the money you save or invest burgeons into earnings, which, in turn, reinvest to generate further earnings. The enchantment of compounding doesn't manifest immediately. It requires time to weave its spell. Similarly, the stock market adheres to a comparable principle historically, ascending over the long haul despite its transient fluctuations. By embracing patience and abstaining from hasty decisions during market downturns, you're more likely to witness the organic growth of your investment over time. Conversely, discipline serves as the rudder that steers our course. It's the guiding force that preserves budget adherence, resists spur-of-the-moment purchases, and sustains consistent savings and investment habits. Financial freedom rarely materializes from a singular financial windfall. Instead, it emerges from incremental, disciplined actions executed over time. It's a conscious decision to prioritize your enduring financial objectives above fleeting desires. The confluence of patience and discipline crafts the groundwork for a robust financial future imbued with stability and freedom. Thank you for joining us on this journey towards financial freedom. Remember, the power to transform your financial future lies in your hands. Start implementing these tips today and pave your way towards a life of abundance and prosperity. Please remember to like this video, share it with your friends, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon to get instant notifications of our upcoming videos.